Apple's stock is on fire. The tech giant has seen an unprecedented surge in its stock price, capturing the attention of investors and analysts worldwide. It's up big and everyone's talking about it. Financial analysts are buzzing with excitement, dissecting every detail of this remarkable rise. The company is now worth a staggering $3 trillion. This milestone cements Apple's position as one of the most valuable companies in the world. That's trillion, with a T. It's a number so large it's almost hard to comprehend. This is a huge milestone, not just for Apple, but for the entire market. Traders are celebrating, and the ripple effects are being felt across the financial world. Apple's success is a testament to its incredible products, loyal customers, and brilliant leadership. From the iPhone to the MacBook, each product has played a crucial role in this journey. Tim Cook, you're a rock star. Under his leadership, Apple has not only maintained its innovative edge, but has also expanded into new markets and technologies. But what's driving this incredible growth? It's a combination of strong product sales, strategic acquisitions, and a loyal customer base that keeps coming back for more. Let's dive in and find out. Analysts point to several key factors, including Apple's robust ecosystem, its focus on privacy and security, and its ability to innovate consistently. This is more than just a stock going up, it's a sign of something bigger. Apple's rise reflects broader trends in technology and consumer behavior. Apple is changing the world and investors are taking notice. The company's ventures into augmented reality, health tech, and renewable energy are just a few examples of how it's shaping the future. Get ready for a wild ride, because this story is far from over. As Apple continues to innovate and expand, its stock performance will likely remain a thrilling journey for investors and tech enthusiasts alike. Apple is a money-making machine. They're firing on all cylinders. From the iPhone to their services, everything is clicking. First off, Apple knows how to innovate. They're constantly coming up with new products and features that people love. They don't just follow trends, they set them. Second, Apple has mastered the art of marketing. They create beautiful, aspirational products that people crave. Their brand is synonymous with quality and innovation. Apple is a force of nature, and I'm bullish on their future. Let's rewind the clock for a second. Remember the iPod? That little white device revolutionized music. Then came the iPhone, which changed everything. Apple has a knack for creating iconic products that define generations. They've come a long way from their humble beginnings. From near bankruptcy to a $3 trillion behemoth, Apple's story is the stuff of legends. It's a reminder that anything is possible in the tech world. What's Apple's secret sauce? How do they keep winning? First, they have a laser-like focus on the customer experience. Their products just work, and they're a joy to use. Second, Apple has built a walled garden ecosystem that keeps users hooked. Once you go Apple, it's hard to go back. Third, Apple understands the power of brand loyalty. Their customers are some of the most passionate in the world. This winning formula has propelled Apple to the top of the tech world. Section 5, Services, Apple's golden goose. Apple's services business is booming. From Apple Music to iCloud, more and more people are subscribing to Apple services. This is a goldmine for Apple. Recurring revenue is king, and Apple has cracked the code. This steady stream of income makes Apple more resilient to economic downturns. Investors love services, and they're rewarding Apple with a premium valuation. As Apple continues to grow its services business, expect its stock to follow suit. Section 6, the iPhone. Still a moneymaker, let's not forget about the iPhone. It's still Apple's cash cow. Every year, millions of people around the world upgrade to the latest and greatest iPhone. The iPhone is more than just a phone, it's a status symbol. People love to show off their iPhones, and Apple knows it. As long as Apple keeps innovating with the iPhone, they'll continue to print money. The iPhone is here to stay, and so is Apple's dominance. Section 7. Can Apple keep growing? What's next? Apple has come a long way, but can they keep growing? The answer is a resounding yes. Apple is constantly innovating and expanding into new markets. They're investing heavily in areas like augmented reality, artificial intelligence, and self-driving cars. These are the technologies of the future, and Apple wants to be at the forefront. Apple is also expanding its global reach. particularly in emerging markets like India and China. The growth potential is enormous. Section 8, the challenges ahead. Can Apple stay on top? This is a question that has been on the minds of many industry analysts and tech enthusiasts alike. Apple has been a dominant force in the tech world for years, but maintaining that position is no easy feat. It's not all sunshine and rainbows for Apple. The company has enjoyed immense success, but with great success comes great challenges. They face stiff competition from rivals like Samsung, Google, and Microsoft. These companies are not just competitors, they are formidable adversaries with their own innovative products and loyal customer bases. The tech landscape is constantly changing, and Apple needs to stay ahead of the curve. Innovation is the name of the game, and in this fast-paced industry, standing still is not an option. They can't afford to rest on their laurels. Continuous improvement and groundbreaking advancements are essential for Apple to maintain its edge. The product development process at Apple is rigorous, aiming to push the boundaries of technology. Apple also faces regulatory scrutiny over its App Store practices and market dominance. Governments and regulatory bodies are increasingly concerned about the power and influence of big tech companies. Governments around the world are watching Apple closely. They are scrutinizing the company's business practices, ensuring that Apple operates fairly and does not stifle competition. Despite these challenges, I'm confident that Apple will overcome them. The company has a history of facing obstacles head-on and emerging stronger. They've navigated choppy waters before, weathering storms that would have sunk lesser companies, and they always come out on top. With a visionary leadership team, a dedicated workforce, and a culture of innovation, Apple is well equipped to tackle the challenges ahead. The future may be uncertain, but if history is any indication, Apple will continue to thrive and set new standards in the tech industry. Section 9, Apple and the Metaverse, a whole new world. The Metaverse is the next big thing in tech, and Apple wants a piece of the action. This digital universe promises to revolutionize the way we interact with technology and each other. From virtual reality to augmented reality, the Metaverse is set to create immersive experiences that blend the physical and digital worlds seamlessly. Imagine a world where you can work, play, and socialize in a virtual environment. Picture attending meetings in a virtual office, collaborating with colleagues from around the globe as if they were right next to you. Or think about playing games in a fully immersive world where the boundaries of reality are blurred. Socializing takes on a new dimension as you interact with friends and family in virtual spaces that feel incredibly real. Apple is rumored to be working on a mixed reality headset that could be a game changer. This device is expected to combine the best of both virtual and augmented reality, offering users an unparalleled experience. With Apple's track record of innovation and design, this headset could set new standards in the industry. This could be Apple's ticket to the metaverse. By creating a device that seamlessly integrates with their existing ecosystem, Apple could make the metaverse more accessible and appealing to a broader audience. Imagine using your iPhone, iPad, or Mac to navigate and interact with this new digital frontier. The metaverse is still in its early stages, but Apple has a history of disrupting industries. From the iPod to the iPhone, Apple has consistently redefined what technology can do. Their entry into the metaverse could accelerate its development and adoption, bringing it into the mainstream faster than we might expect. Don't underestimate the power of Apple. With their vast resources, innovative spirit, and loyal customer base, Apple is well positioned to make a significant impact on the metaverse. As they continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, we can only imagine the exciting new experiences that await us in this whole new world. Section 10. The future is bright for Apple. Apple is a remarkable company with a bright future. They have a winning formula, a loyal customer base, and a relentless drive to innovate. I'm bullish on Apple's stock. I believe it has the potential to reach even greater heights. Apple is a buy at any price. So there you have it, folks. Apple is a force to be reckoned with, and their stock is a must-have for any serious investor. Get on board and enjoy the ride.